Can anybody ever see that? Probably not, to be honest with you. I don't know why I'm asking. Okay, see the way this is designed? This is not like a Cranbrook. It's a little different. Okay. And this is why I stay away from certain frames. I make sure that I'm going to get what I need to do. Oh, damn it. I don't want to beat the guy's fucking tank up. I don't want to beat the guy's bike up either. Fucking cords. So I can't stand cords. But anyway, as you guys can see, we've got a major issue. We have a major issue. But since we've got this issue, I think I've got a fix for this. We have an issue. I think I have a fix for it. I need to contact the guy and see what he's got to say about it. So I will be back. It's break time, guys. As you guys see, I've been down here for a minute doing it. Okay, we're back, YouTube. I had to change batteries. I had to empty the camera onto the computer. Okay, I figured out the plan for this tank. What we're going to do is we're going to take these straps. We're going to screw them into the frame here and here. Okay? The reason being, see this bar here? It's in our way. In our way. But I'm gonna go smoke another cigarette, and I'm gonna charge this other battery, and I will be back.